Think freight forwarders are optional? Think again. This one decision could make or break your Amazon FBA success. I'll be talking all about freight forwarders in today's video. Let's dive in. So first, what is a freight forwarder? A lot of people don't know what they are, and they're also known as a forwarding agent or a non-vessel operation common carrier. It's pretty much a person or a company that organizes shipments for individuals, organizations, or businesses to get goods from the manufacturer or producer to the final point of destination. So if you make goods in China, they're going to be the ones that are inspecting the goods, picking up the goods, ensuring they pass customs. If something gets lost or stolen, they have insurance to get refunds. They're the ones that are going to give you the best price, the best deal if you have a great freight forwarder. It's going to save you tons of money instead of your manufacturer upselling all of the shipping charges and charging you tons of money. Also, a lot of times if you're shipping to, let's say, shipping from China to the UK or US to the UK or to Mexico, Canada, you're going to run into issues, and it's going to be super expensive if you work directly with UPS or FedEx or USPS or DHL. You want to have somebody that knows the policies, knows the trends, knows the loopholes, and different ways to ship it. If you're only shipping via air, you're doing it wrong. You need a freight forwarder that can give you other options like sea shipping. So let's say I'm selling this product and it's making a significant amount of money on Amazon. Let's say it's making $27,000 a month on Amazon. It's a portable campfire. It's awesome. But let's just say it's made in the USA, which it is, and we're trying to ship it to the UK. So United Kingdom has different laws, different customs, different policies, and you have to abide by them. If you don't, the shipment will get rejected, right? So one of our clients was actually shipping their products to the UK, did it themselves through UPS, thought everything was good, and they were too busy. They missed UPS's call, and then UPS was like, we're just gonna ship it back. They lost all that money, got the items shipped back to them, and now they're like, oh my gosh, this is terrible. What do we do? And then they hired us and we said, you need a freight forwarder. You need somebody who is an expert at shipping. They're gonna make sure everything gets there properly. They're gonna be inspecting your goods, making sure you get the cheapest cost possible. So of course, as an Amazon seller, you wanna expand internationally. You wanna be good to go, right? So what you could do, the first thing is Smartscout is a tool. You can type in Smartscout FBA Prep Center, and they're gonna give you different centers right here that offer prep and freight forwarding, right? And these ones all do seem very, very good. We actually use several of them, but one of the best, I would say, freight forwarders is going to be Unicargo. So if you don't know Unicargo, they are international. They work with like everybody. You get your own dedicated logistics manager, freight forwarding. I don't have an affiliate link with them. It's just somebody that we use all of the time, and we've never had a bad experience because you actually get your own person. And then what they'll do is try to give you the best price possible. That's better than your manufacturer, right? And then they'll tell you about sea shipping. So if you're only doing air shipping and you want to buy in bulk, you could do sea shipping and save probably 10x the amount of costs you do for shipping. They also have insurance, loopholes to get around policies ethically and legally. So they do a lot of the work. And even if it is sea shipping and it gets to, let's say, China, or it gets to Canada or the UK, they're the ones who will pick it up from the UK and then make sure it's delivered to Amazon, get all the paperwork signed. So if Amazon loses inventory, you're good to go to report that. So freight forwarders are extremely recommended. If you're not using it, you should check into one and at least get a great contact at Unicargo, or look for some yourself. Just don't go with any sketchy ones. I recommend you go with ones that are reputable that I mentioned in today's video. And that's it for today's video. Have you worked with a freight forwarder before? Share your experience, good or bad, in the comments below. If you learned something new, drop a like, and if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need any help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on Amazon, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. Also, one of our most popular services is our full Amazon account management service. This is what will manage your inventory, talk to freight forwarders for you, make sure they have all the labels to ship it to Amazon, Amazon internationally. We'll help track it. We'll do your advertising. We'll call Amazon. We'll do your customer service. And we'll do everything in between to help you increase your sales. The benefit of the service is so you can spend time working on expanding your business instead of in the daily logistics and operations of your business. We're there to help you save time, make more money, and increase your sales. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, and I'm signing out.